In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign before sending in Docusign. 5 minutes. If you've ever needed to add your own signature to a document before sharing it with anyone, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it in Docusign, start to finish with zero guesswork. First, log into your Docusign account. Once you're on the home or send dashboard, you'll see the option to start a new envelope. Look for the Start button. This is your gateway to bringing a file into Docusign so you can place your signature on it. Click Start and upload your document. You can drag and drop a file from your computer or choose it from a folder. PDFs typically work best, but common formats like Word are fine too. A quick tip here: use a clean, final version of your document. Renaming it clearly, like Service Agreement Final, will make it easier to find later in your account. After your file appears, select Sign. This tells Docusign that you are the signer for this document. You're not sending it out yet. You're simply preparing it so your signature is applied correctly and stored in your account. Next, click Next to move into the tagging and signing screen. You'll see a preview of each page. Take a moment to confirm everything loaded properly. If the document looks small, use the zoom controls so you can place fields precisely. Now drag and drop the fields you need. Pull a signature field onto the line where your signature should go. If your document requires initials, place initials fields wherever they belong, such as the bottom corner of specific pages. Add a date signed field so the date fills in automatically when you complete the signing. You can resize and align fields by dragging the corners, and you can duplicate fields if you need the same item on multiple pages. Keep fields clear of text and lines so nothing overlaps. If it's your first time, DocuSign will prompt you to adopt a signature style or draw one. Once saved, that signature will be reused to keep things consistent. When everything is placed, click Finish. DocuSign will apply your signature and save a signed copy to your account. You'll be able to download it, store it for your records, or attach it to an email whenever you're ready to share. You can also find it later in your DocuSign Documents area, which is helpful if you need to resend or reference it. That's all it takes to sign before sending in DocuSign. Log in, start an upload, choose Sign, click Next, place your fields, and Finish to save a clean, legally recognized copy to your account.